look at those arrays. Okay, so that's it with arrays. I'm just trying to see if there's something very important that I left. But irikunakidza here C#.
Yes.
Good.
So I have something to say.
Yes, it's fine.
There is this statement in terms of variable declarations. For each loop, there's 5 variable declarations, whereas for loop only have 3 variable declarations. Yeah, I need you to shed some more light.
Okay. Probably can you share your screen or something so I see what you are saying?
No, I'm just taking it on my mobile phone. I'm using a laptop.
How do I make you share your screen?
What if I type in the
Is there an option to share a screen from your end? Probably.
Yeah, it is, but what if I just type in the chat?
Excuse me. Is there an option to share your screen?
Yes. But I suggest to type the statement in the chat.
Okay, maybe, probably, could you just type it in the chat box?
Yes, I can do that.
So that we see what you are saying.
Okay, so
yes.
Let me do so.
Okay. All right, please mute your mic. Mic. Thank you. So this is the if statement. If 20 is greater than 18, output this. Yes, the statement will come. That's the if. Okay, I think we jumped this part. The else, we are saying if this is true, if this condition is true, output this. Else, output this. For example, if mark is greater than 50, output you passed. Else, output you failed. It's pretty much the same thing. Right? So that's the if else. Right? So we can add another component to the if else to make it else if we've got several options. Like, for example, you can get a distinction 1 or a 2-1 or a 2-2 or a 3 in this course or a fail. Right? So if mark is greater than 75, output distinction. Else, if mark is between 70 to 74, output 2-2. Else, if mark is between 65 to 70, output 2-2. Else, if mark is maybe from 50 to 60, output 3. Else, output fail. So that's the if else statement. Right. Here it's saying we've got a variable called time, which is storing a value called 22. So if time is less than 22, in this case, is 22 less than 10? No. No. Else, so what's the output of this code? Somebody overhead.
Sorry, say we have a child. I have a child on this side. I'm only seeing the black screen.
You're only seeing the black screen?
Yes.
Okay, other guys, are you seeing my screen?
No, we are also seeing the black screen.
Sorry, I think Payambo Mira Paya. Okay, let me sort that out. Thank you for saying that. Okay, sorry. Hey, I wasn't even checking. Sorry about that.
Nah, it's okay, sir.
Okay. So I'm saying, look, we've got this. That's the if else, and what do you think is the output of this code? This code.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right. It's the output is the code each time is equals to 22, right? So our first if statement is less than 10. The time is less than 10, which means it doesn't meet the 22 part there.
Right.
Then if the second time is less than 20, also 20 is less than 22. So it will jump to write console good morning because it didn't meet all these conditions.
Good evening.
So the output is good evening.
Oh, good evening. Okay, I heard you want good morning.
Sorry, good evening.
Okay, that's all right. That's fine. Thank you for that. It's just simple, logic that you can actually use to understand, right, what's happening, right? So, alternatively, if you don't want the if else, you can use this one that we call the switch statement. It works the same way, just like the if else, right? And this is the syntax. Switch, it has got what we call an expression, and it has got what we call cases. So you can have, if you've got 5 cases, like distinction 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, and the F, it has got 5. So you can have case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, up to case 5. Right? So this is what we call the switch statement. Let me just copy it so that you guys can just see the output of that thing. Can you mute your mics, please? Right, let's try and run it. Can you see the output? It's saying the output is Thursday. Right, let's try and analyze what happened here. We've got a variable called day, which stores integers and is storing 4. Then we are saying switch day. Can you see this one? The input to the switch is actually this variable day. So it's 4, in other words. So it's saying, is it case 1? Is it 1? No. Is it 2? No. Is it 3? No. Is it 4? Okay. Yes, it's 4. That's why it outputted Thursday. So it's an alternative to the if else. So this is what we really call the switch statement. Okay. So I think in a nutshell, we were able to really cover what I expected us to cover in this tutorial. Yeah. Pfungwa dziri fresh here, tozotanga next time.
Proceed. Yeah.
Okay.
No, sir. No, sir.
Hello.
I've got a question.
Yes.
I joined you a little bit later, maybe in a few minutes or so. My question is, each time we are running the codes on the screen there, I could notice there is string system, namespace, hello world.
Okay.
Is it each time we are going to run a code, this hello world will ever exist there?
Okay. You are saying, just a moment. Okay. Right. You are saying you were seeing things like using system.
It serves a
right?
point. So
Yeah, string system.